All right, we are here to talk about Ethereum and the price movements of it and our new highs coming in Ethereum. I believe the answer is absolutely yes. We can see that for several reasons. One, looking here at the daily chart, and there's other reasons as well, which I'm going to present to you in this video. Before we get started, I'm going to look at one of my favorite tools, that is tradingview.com. I'm going to look at their Ethereum technical analysis. I'm going to start on the 1 day. They're showing a strong buy on the summary. Oscillators are buy. Moving averages a strong buy. On the weekly, we've got a buy. Oscillators are neutral with moving averages a strong buy. And on the monthly, a buy. Oscillator is neutral. Moving averages a strong buy. So TradingView in its technical analysis is agreeing with what I'm seeing. It's also agreeing with what price is showing us. Here's why I believe we've got new highs coming. Let's back out just a bit. Let's look at the weekly time frame. All of crypto had a major run up starting in October. Ethereum was no different. Ethereum was roughly, let's say 1,500, just to use a nice round number. It wasn't quite that low in October, but let's say 1,500, or you could say 1,600. Nonetheless, it's gone all the way up to see highs around 2,400. We had this fantastic run up in November and December. All of crypto did. And then many of the coins, Bitcoin included, Cardano included, Doge included, have kind of languished right here and ranged the last 3 or 4 weeks since they hit that high in December. You'll notice that on the weekly, we have just kind of been within this range of, what's that, 2,400 and 2,100 the last several weeks. Going back out to the daily, one thing we have seen on Ethereum is this very critical level of 2120 or 2130 to about 2160. I'm going to take this away because that's not needed anymore. And what we've seen is once Ethereum made its high in December, that is the 9th, it gave back some of its gains, which was 100% natural. It simply started using this level right here as support when it had been resistance. You can see there was resistance to this level here, resistance to this level here, and it turned that into support. And as prices kind of creeped its way back down during December, it was bought up every time. Got a wick here, 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 a wick here. Every time we saw price fall into this 2130 to 2160 range, it was picked up. And it's not picked up by accident. It's picked up because people, algorithms, big traders, big whales, whatever you want to call it, believe that Ethereum's going to go up, and that was a discounted price. And so they bought it and ended up pushing the price back up. Now, what we have seen the last few days, really the last week for Ethereum, is it has challenged this December high of 2,400. It hasn't been able to hold it yet, but it challenged it here on the 28th, and it's challenged it here today. It has been rejected, but you can still see, if I draw even another line here, we're making higher lows, which is a good thing. And we're making reasonably higher highs. We're at least trying to break that 2,400 barrier. And eventually, I believe that wall is going to break. I believe Bitcoin is showing us evidence of that. Bitcoin acted a lot like Ethereum in December. It made its high on the 8th of December, and then it languished, kind of ranged between these two levels right here. But over the past 2 days, it has made a huge move and has convincingly broken 45,000. And right now, as I record, it holds above 45,000 comfortably. It may give that up. Looks like it almost even touched 46,000. Didn't quite make it, but came real close. It may give that up even if we see it fall down like it did on Ethereum. Let's see this level again. See how price went up and then fell back down. What we're seeing across the crypto markets is strength. We are not seeing weaknesses. All of these coins are challenging their highs. They're not challenging their lows. So that's one reason I believe we've got a big move coming in Ethereum and crypto in general. Another reason is technical analysis, like I showed you on TradingView, is showing over the 1 month, 1 week time period, a strong buy indicator. So that's a second reason. The third reason is everything I'm hearing in the crypto world is that January and 2024 specifically could be a fantastic year in crypto. And that's what we're seeing starting to play out. We have seen a breakout, as I mentioned, in Bitcoin. I wasn't expecting that till the first or second week of January. That's been generally when Bitcoin breaks after it's a lull toward the end of December. It's usually the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, something like that of January. Well, it broke out on the 2nd. So we may see Ethereum do that very soon and follow Bitcoin. All in all, let's zoom out. Let's take a zoom out. I'm going to go to the weekly. All in all, we are looking to challenge this 2400 and soon perhaps this 2500 in Ethereum, which is going to be great news for all of us. Let me pop this line right here, 2500. It's about right there. Okay, so roughly right around there. And we're just seeing, even on this weekly, we're seeing higher highs, lower lows, higher highs. Even if price pulled back to this 2100, which I doesn't look like it's going to do right now, but even if it did, I would not be concerned. It would just simply be basing, I believe, for the next move up. So everything is looking up for Ethereum. Everything is looking up for crypto. Bitcoin is making its move already. Nice candle on the weekly coming out here. So we've got good things ahead for crypto, I believe. I will keep you updated. I hope you're excited about what you're about to see in crypto. Be sure to come back and I'll keep you updated on all the price movements of Ethereum and some of my other favorite coins like Cardano. VET is a favorite one of mine. Solana is one I watch as well. So be sure to come back and I'll keep you updated on all things in crypto. Take care.